David from TSTP, and this is the TSTP Permission Changer. Allows you to set the owner of a file so that you have permissions over that file. I went ahead and created a test folder 1 that I am not the owner of any of the files or the folder on. Test folder 2, I own all of it. Let's go ahead and run a test on folder 1. As we have an option up here to check the ownership just to make sure who the owner is. As we can see, it's work user for everybody, and that is not my user. So I'm going to go ahead and change the permissions on it. It says it has about 540 files. That is about right. It's just copied text files over and over. Go ahead and change that. As you can see, it works through them all. Total changes 540, no errors found, operation successful. So I'm going to go and select folder 2. Go ahead and check that one more time. And as you can see with that, it's 150 files, and I am the owner of all of them. I cannot make any changes for it. So that is what you can do here. And if I check this again for folder 1, I am the owner of all those files now. And we have dark mode in case you don't like all the light. I have an about section, very simple, straightforward, and a comprehensive tutorial on how to use the program at each step of the program, including the revert changes. So after you make a change, before you make another change, you can revert the changes back in case you just needed to test what would happen if you didn't have the permissions. Have a donation if you want to donate. We're open source, free software, so any donations help. And you can download this at tstp.xyz. The link will be in the bio. Like, subscribe, check back for more videos.